Let me tell you a small story. In a quiet village, there lived a man who made very tasty laddus. Every morning, people came to his small shop. Children loved his sweets. Old people trusted his quality. But his shop was very small, and every day he dreamed, one day I will open a big sweet shop. He wanted to buy better machines. He wanted to hire more workers. He wanted to open branches in nearby towns. But dream needs money, and he did not have enough. He could take a loan, but loan means tension. Every month EMI, even if business is slow. So one day he got a different idea. He called the villagers and said, "Instead of giving me a loan, why don't you become partners in my business?" He said, "If you help me building this big shop, I will give you a small part of my business. If the business grows, you will earn with me. If the business fails, we will suffer together." 10 villagers trusted him. Together they collected money. He divided his money into 10 equal parts. Each villager got one part. Now they were not just customers, they were owners. That one small part of a business is called a stock. Stock simply means ownership. When you buy a stock, you are not giving loan. You are becoming a small owner. With new machines and more workers, the shop became faster, cleaner, better. More customers came. People from nearby towns also started coming. Now something beautiful happened. The shop started making more profit. So two good things happened for the owners. First, the value of the business increased. Second, the owner shared some profit with the villagers. Big companies work exactly like this. Only difference, instead of 10 villagers, they have lakhs and crores of small owners like you and me. Stock market is simply a big market where people buy and sell these ownership parts. Some people want to buy, some people want to sell, and the price changes every day. Now let's be honest, life is not always perfect. Suppose one day the sweets are not tasty anymore, or a new competitor opens nearby. Customers slowly stop coming. Profit becomes loss. Because you are an owner, you also feel the pain. The value of your part goes down. And this is why stock price also goes down. This is why stock market is not gambling. It is becoming a business owner. Good business gives rewards. Bad business gives lesson. When you buy a stock in real life, ask yourself only one question. Would I like to be owner of this business for many years? Real wealth in stock market is not made in one day. It is made by time, patience, and good businesses. So remember this simple line. Stock means owning a small piece of a business. You grow with the business, you fall with the business. If you like finance explained in simple story, like, subscribe, and share with your friends who is scared of stock market. Please comment below what should be the next topic. I will explain it in the simplest way possible in the next video. Thank you for watching.